Hello! Today I'm gonna show you Ukrainian raspberry cheesecake. If you wanna find something about Ukrainian desserts, take all the ingredients and start cooking with me. This is a list of products we need today. You better prepare it before you start cooking. After you are sure all your ingredients are ready, you can start making dough. Take an egg and add sugar, sour cream and butter. Butter must be warm. Time for kitchen meditation has come. While you're mixing our ingredients, think about something good. After a few minutes of mixing, add some flour and baking powder and continue mixing and thinking about something good. Mixing this dough will be more easier with hands, but don't mix it alone because it will be like a stone. When our dough is ready, we need to put it to the fridge for 20-30 minutes. While our dough is in fridge, we need to prepare our filling. Take cottage cheese, 3 eggs, sour cream, sugar, vanilla sugar, starch, and mix all this with the help of blender. It will take you about 1-2 minutes. After 30 minutes, take our dough from the fridge and put it to the baking form. Now we need to make even layer of a dough. Don't forget to make some holes with the help of fork. My daughter loves raspberry a lot, so I make 2 layers of raspberry in my pie. But you can make only 1 layer. You can put all raspberry on top of our cheesecake. If you have red and yellow raspberry like I do, you can make some picture. I tried, but nothing happened. You can be more creative than I am. Our cheesecake goes to the oven for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, our pie is ready. Let him cool for about 30 minutes and it is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. I hope Ukrainian raspberry cheesecake will be one of the most your favorite desserts. Thanks for watching again. And comment, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.